In this video, I'm going to show you how to use different wallpaper for lock screen and home screen on Samsung phone. So if you want to have a different wallpaper on your home screen like this, and when your Samsung phone lock screen is enabled or when your Samsung phone screen is locked, you want to set a different wallpaper on your Samsung phone lock screen, then there's a video for you. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to set different wallpaper as lock screen and home screen on Samsung phone is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and make sure you click on Wallpaper and Style. Once you selected Wallpaper and Style, then select the wallpaper here, and if the wallpaper is not available, click on Change Wallpaper. Now, you can use Featured Wallpaper or go to your phone to select your pictures from your gallery or use color, use wallpaper services, and like that. So in this case, I'm going to use my gallery to set a different wallpaper as my home screen as well as my lock screen. Then click on gallery, then you want to select the picture you want to use here. Now let's say I want to set this and then this one as my lock screen, another one as my home screen. Then click on done, wait for it, then this is what you're going to see. So you can see this is going to be my lock screen. So make sure you adjust this to give you a perfect match. So let's set this, then click on done. There you go. So this is going to set as your wallpaper. Now don't go yet. You can see that's my lock screen wallpaper, right? Then if you come down to the home screen, you see nothing is going to happen. Then if you lock the Samsung phone screen, you see this is my lock screen wallpaper. Now to change my home screen wallpaper, all I need to do again is go to the wallpaper page and click on this home screen. Then tap wallpaper to set a different wallpaper for the home screen. Come here and select my gallery, then go to where this picture is downloaded. Now let's say I want to select this particular one as my home screen wallpaper. So make sure you adjust it perfectly, and once you're good, you can just use effect, then to filter the wallpaper if the need arise. You can just go ahead and click on the done button. You can also use the frame button to frame it perfectly, yes others, depending on your choice. So whichever one that you prefer, just go ahead and do that. And once you're satisfied with that, go ahead and tap the done button. So click on the done button, then wait for this to save. You see change applied to home screen. Then let's go back to our Samsung phone home screen. So this is the home screen, and you can see this is the lock screen. And then let's go back to the home screen. This is our Samsung Galaxy home screen. So you can say this lock screen, home screen. So this is how you can easily set a different wallpaper for your Samsung phone home screen and lock screen. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.